So hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I am here with my Acer Nitro 5 2020 model, and in this video I am going to review this product after 3 months of use. I am going to show you the benefits of getting this laptop right now and the disadvantage of this laptop. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video.
Me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let be. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel
So when talking about the CPU and the GPU of this laptop, this variant comes with i5-10th generation with base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and turbo up to 4.5 GHz. i5-10th generation is about 10 to 15% better than the previous 9th generation. This i5-10th generation is with 4 cores and 8 threads. That is really good, but I am still wondering why is Intel not bringing up the 7 nanometer chips. So, but still this combination of Intel i5-10th generation and NVIDIA 1650 is really good. So when talking about the GPU of this laptop, this variant comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 6050. So it is a 4GB graphic card, which is okay. It can provide you almost 60 FPS in every game you play. In Call of Duty Warzone, it provides you 60 FPS at high settings. By the way, I have already made the benchmark test of i5-10th generation and 6015. If you have still not checked out that video, I will leave the link in the description, or you can check out the card. Actually, NVIDIA released two 6050. The first version was released in 2019 and the second version was released in 2020. So this variant comes with the variant that was released in 2020. So what is the disadvantage of this CPU and GPU is that I only found the disadvantage is that GPU is good. In this price range you can only get NVIDIA 1650 or 1650 Ti, but when talking about the CPU, I am not saying that Intel i5-10th generation is not good. It is good, but it could be more better if it came with 7 nanometer and 6 cores. Yeah, there is the difference, Ryzen 5 4600H comes with 6 cores. So in multitasking, Ryzen 5 4600H is better than Intel i5-10th generation. But while talking of the single core, Intel is better than Ryzen in terms of single core. So it means that you will get better gaming performance on Intel i5-10th generation when comparing to Ryzen 5 4600H. Okay, so when talking about the keyboard of this laptop, the laptop keyboards comes with backlit RGB keyboard. Means you can modify the color of this keyboard according to your choice. So to change the color of this keyboard, you just need to go to Nitro Sense. From there, in the top corner, you will see that keyboard option. From there, you can change the keyboard and you can modify it. So the keyboard lights are really good. It really gives a pro gaming feeling when you play games. Okay. So now talking about the display. So this laptop is actually 60 Hz. This variant is actually 60 Hz. That's the really a big disadvantage. I don't know why Acer is providing 60 Hz when other laptops are providing 144 Hz at this price. So but that's not a big issue because NVIDIA 6050 is just capable of providing 60 FPS in most of the games, in most of the high-end games. So there's no meaning buying 144 Hz for NVIDIA GTX 6050. So when talking about the pixels, it is still like the previous model. It's still full HD display. So now talking about the storage of this laptop. This laptop comes with 1 terabyte of hard drive, that is 7200 RPM, and there is 256 GB SSD, and there is an extra slot for SSD. You can add SSD whenever you want. So basically your Windows is installed in SSD. This makes your computer really fast. Your computer will perform really faster, and you can also add SSD if you need more SSD in the coming future. So now talking about the RAM. The RAM is of 8 GB, that is DDR4, but the benefit is that it comes with 2933 megahertz, which is the upgraded version of the previous Acer Nitro 5. Previous Acer Nitro 5 of 2019 model used to have I think 2600 megahertz of RAM, but this time the RAM is of 2900 megahertz, which will give you a better performance, and the RAM is upgradable up to 32 GB. It means in the coming future, if you need more RAM, then you can upgrade it up to 32 GB. So that's all for today. So at last, my opinion, should you buy this laptop? Yes guys, you should definitely buy this laptop, because currently this laptop is available at 63,000. That is actually amazing. This laptop will give you price to price performance. Like, you will never regret after buying this laptop. Okay, but just one more thing that I want to clear is that, talking about the screen, in my case I have got a little bit screen bleeding over here, but that is not noticeable. That's absolutely fine. FSD display, IPS technology display comes with a screen bleeding issue, so that's completely fine, because I have got a screen bleeding over here only. That's not even noticeable. So at last, if you want to buy this laptop, I will leave the link in the description as well in the comment box below. You can check it out from there. And in my 3 months of use of this laptop, I have not faced any issue. Like, when talking about the thermals, the main thing that every gamers and every video editor wants, the thermals. Trust me guys, in these 3 months I have played a lot of games, that also at ultra settings, and I have never seen my laptop crossing more than 85 degrees Celsius. Like, if you are playing at high settings offline games, it will be between 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. But if you are playing online games like COD Warzone, it will reach maximum up to 85 degrees Celsius in the highest settings. So the thermals of these laptops are absolutely awesome. So if you want to get a perfect laptop right now, trust me guys, you can buy this laptop right now. It is okay. So when we talk about the price of the laptop, this laptop is currently available for 62,000 on Amazon. So if you are considering to buy this laptop, I will leave the link in the description. You can check it out from there. So now let's